in the new boat. Okay, get over here. Well, it's not a keeper. It's I don't know. Where's that fine ruler it has here? About 13. Guys, I don't know. I'll put this in here. But I think there's a few fish out here. But I want to make an official review video on this boat, but there you go. There's another one. This is a little bit bigger, guys. Oh. I'm not ready just yet to make that video. I don't think he'll make it either. Just under. But you know, when I have a little more time, I want to make a video. Alright, guys. I was a little late getting my camera on, but I spotted a few fish against this bank, and I thought, well, I was gonna go get oysters. I said, I'm not gonna be worried with fish today, because where I went I didn't see a thing. Then I ran across a group that was running pretty thick right here, and then as soon as I got up here, I saw a group messing around up here, so I said, well, let me just see what we got here. Now, I don't have my little anchor, so I'm got my foot out on the ground. There's one thing about this boat here versus the other one. It's narrow enough for me to do that. The other one, I couldn't get that foot out there. But I plan on putting a anchor system like I had on that last one in here. I got some meat right there to do it with. Now, guys, I got a measuring thing on this thing. It goes up to 20 inches. But he would be 20 inches on the money. But we're gonna let that rascal go. Go, guy. Beautiful. All right. Well, that's not bad. That's 3 fish in just a little while. But, well, I'm going to try to go down this bank a little bit. It's protected by the east wind. We got an east wind now. And I'm still deciding what I think about everything. And getting in shallow water, you can't use a rudder. I see fish right there. But that might have been the one I just turned loose. But I may stand up here in a second. Once we get in where it's a real break, there's an open spot right there where the wind was blowing over the bank, and I wasn't able to stand if I wanted to. But well, that's encouraging. It's late in the day, so them fish, it was real cold this morning, almost freezing. And so what them redfish like to do once the sun comes out, and I'm sure most of you know it, in case there's someone you get into fishing, is they'll come up out of the deeper water, get up in this shallow water, real shallow, where I guess that water gets a little warmer for them, and oh, it's just kind of like an old well, turtle, alligator, whatever, we call it sunning. They will get up there and sun, take in that little warmth. And so, alright guys. Oop, bumping the bottom. This rascal floats shallow, but it still takes water. And everything takes a little water. Alright, let's go to the next one. I think we're going to do some good in this little pocket. I'm not going to go real far today. Still want to go get me a couple of buckets of oysters before I go home. So we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, I felt like we would snag on something. I'm looking into the sun so I didn't see this one, but I just know there's some on this bank. I wish I could. That's a, whoa, big keep, well, a bigger slot. For sure, guys. Look at that beautiful rascal. Yeah, ain't bad. Breaking in the boat, I hear a skiff. Yeah, they're sitting here watching me. They're going somewhere else, so. Yeah, guys, that's a nice one. But I sure missed my push pole where I could stick it down and stop myself. So, whoa, easy guy, easy. Come on around. Alright, I know camera into the sun's not the best view. Alright, gotta get on over here. Oop, get off there. This thing has a deal to hold your paddle, which is nice. Get over here into the boat, guys. We need you. Oh yeah. I don't have my official ruler on the boat, but I'd say 23. I'm just gonna let him lay right there while these guys come by there. They'll be cutting me off here in a second. It's just the way some people are. They're not everybody would cut you off, but some people would. See you catch a fish, they'd be like, I'm gonna go right there in front of him and cut him off. Well, nah, they're getting on down the bank. That's good. I'm gonna get right up here against the bank and get out of this wind. It's really hooking it today, and but guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. It's kind of paddled out of that little school of reds, and it's just a little too frosty out here to play around too long. So I think I'm gonna go get even more frosty, get me a few oysters, and I'm gonna head to the house. But it was fun to catch them couple. Like I say, I'm gonna hold my review until I've had time to really fish in this boat, and then I'm gonna give it a good things. I like it. I'm gonna tell you that already. I like it. It's just like I said earlier, we have to get used to. This boat has a little more shake, but it's not by no means unstable. Not when you're setting. Now when I stood up, it's about like the other boat. It's still, well, let's just face it, guys. The bigger you are, the harder it is to stand in a boat. When I was real light back in the day, man, I could stand on one leg in this boat on either side and fish and not even think about it wobbling. But as you get older, you just kind of, things change. I'm seeing a fish swim off the bank up here, guys. Might even sound a little windy up here, but I think he knows I'm here. So anyway, guys, I want to thank y'all for coming out. Just want to say God bless, and we'll see y'all next time.